Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create course in Udemy. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in.
If you're an online course creator who publishes courses in Udemy, this video is for you. Because today, I'll be talking all about how to create a Udemy course. But before we get into the step-by-step method to create the Udemy course, let's talk a little about the platform, the online learning economy, and Udemy platform. Online learning is actually a thriving activity mostly driven by online courses. So it's not only works for online learners, but it's also a way to make passive income for course creators. So there's quite a range of marketplaces for selling online courses, but Udemy is the largest platform. Udemy has more than 52 million students, 196,000 courses, and 68,000 tutors teaching courses in over 75 languages. So this produces a lot of opportunities revenue-wise and explain why Udemy continues to thrive in the industry. So if you're interested in joining this passive income method, then keep watching to see the step-by-step guide on how to create this Udemy course with the right tools. So the first step is to decide what your course is going to be about. The first step is to decide what your course will be all about. You need to match your expertise in course idea with the level of demand while paying attention to your competitors. For this, you can use Udemy's marketplace insight tools to identify your audience, map out goals, find keywords to rank for, and understand the competition. Or you could also try to use ChatGPT for this. So you can add in information or you can ask in ChatGPT in here, topics, for online courses. Then it will generate some ideas for you and will also list potential topics for online courses. So as you can see, we have our programming and development, we have business and entrepreneurship. So we also have your design and creativity, personal development, health and wellness, language learning, science and technology, arts and humanities, career development, and many more. Remember to select a topic that you know well or are genuinely interested in because it brings several benefits. So you'll feel motivated to create excellent content, and also your existing knowledge means you can provide deeper insights and answer to questions. So this boosts your confidence as well. So it will be easier to be yourself and relatable when you're passionate about the topic, which helps build trust with your audience. Moreover, working on a familiar topic is usually more efficient since you won't spend as much time researching. Lastly, your credibility as a content creator or teacher increases when you demonstrate expertise in a subject. While it's crucial to pick subjects you love, it's also vital to consider your audience interests for a balanced approach that results in engaging and valuable content creation. Now, the next thing that you'll need to do is to set up the groundwork on Udemy. So there are a few pointers to help you lay out the foundation. If it's your first course, it's advisable to keep the content length between 4 to 6 hours with each videos lasting 2 to 10 minutes. You can make them longer, but try to keep things short and crisp. It's better if you script your content. However, if you're an experienced pro and prefer going off the cut, just create bullet points in the presentation. Now, one of the most important part in here is to decide how you want to visually present your content. You can make slides, screencasts, or just appear yourself, or combine all of these together. So the best approach is to combine them all, and for that, you can use a screencasting tool that we have in here, which is Wondershare Demo Creator. So we have the link of this one into the description box below. Wondershare Demo Creator is a software tool that helps people make videos and tutorials to teach others about different things. So we use this one because it's super easy to use and has helpful features. With Demo Creator, you can record your computer screen, add your voice, and even include a webcam video if you want. So it's handy for creating educational content like online courses or YouTube tutorials because it makes it simple to explain things to others and share your knowledge effectively. Overall, it's a useful tool for anyone who wants to create an educational video and share information with an audience. So you'll need to make sure that you've got Demo Creator installed on your computer. So as I said earlier, we have the link in the description box below so you can download it if you haven't already. So just simply click onto the link and then click onto this one in here, try it free. Now here are the steps right after clicking it. You'll need to open it and then allow. If prompted, click install anyways and yes on the system dialogues and wait for the installation to finish and Chrome will open it automatically once it's done. So I have my file in here already downloaded. I'll just need to open this one out. Then we'll just need to wait for this one to be downloaded onto your device. So as you can see, it is already downloaded onto your device. So you'll just need to simply click on to start now to proceed. You can see you will be redirected onto this page wherein it will say that the installation was successful. So you should be able to see the app already onto your screen right now. So, and then the first thing that you'll see is the user guide. So you'll need to choose a theme, whether it's going to be a cool black or elegant white. So let's go onto this elegant white and just simply click onto next. After, you don't have to worry that much since Wondershare Demo Creator would provide you a user guide. So it will help you add in annotations. And here, as you can see, here are the different annotations. Just simply click onto that. And right after, it will also help you add AI effects. So with over 50 special effects are available, including AI recognition, blur background, and cursor effects. So you'll just need to click onto effects. And here you have the favorite, pan and zoom, advanced cursor, text behaviors, clip motion, and right after just set on to next. And lastly, once you're satisfied, just simply click onto this export button here onto the upper part. So various video formats are readily available for exporting these. So you have in here the format, and then you could choose the platform that you want to upload your video. So just simply click on got it once you are finished those user guides. So let's dive in editor further. So we have here the file, edit, export button, the view help. We have here the Bino that we've seen earlier, the account settings, the creator academy, the message center, and the online support. So these are the different things or features that we have gone ahead and discussed earlier, the effects, transition, annotation, and we have more such as caption stickers, filters, audio, and an SFX store. So if you want to record as well, just simply click onto this one in here. You could click onto new recording or game recorder. So here onto this site, you can select the footage in the player or in the timeline will bring up more editing options. So this is the timeline. We have the undo, redo, the crop, split, mark, and you could add in voiceover as well. And this is where you would be able to see the video that you're editing. So you have the stop button, the play button, the next, the forward, and the backward. So you have also in here the snapshot. You could adjust the volume if you want to see it on full screen. And you could also choose in here the ratio. So this is the library option. You'd be able to add it in here or import the local media files that you want to add into your library. Now, lastly, once you have your video, once you have export it, you'll just need to upload it onto your Udemy account. So you'll just need to log in again or create an account if you don't have one and just click on Teach on Udemy and then fill out all of the information to get started. And that's all for today's video. I hope you're now familiar with how you can create your Udemy courses with the help of Demo Creator. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just write it down on the comment below. Thank you very much for watching and happy teaching.